The mark of Zorro! Zorro! As Don Diego, I pretend to be afraid. But with a mask as my disguise, I ride into the night and raise my sword in the name of justice. For I am Zorro! Dear Maria, taking tea with you is the highlight of an otherwise dull and boring day.
I am honored, Don Diego. Things have been rather... What is that?
Destroy the dam! No more taxes! Destroy the dam! Our water is free!
Mercy? Oh my goodness! The people are attacking Captain Ramon's new dam!
This dam is unlawful. The water, it is ours. Tear it down! Tear it down!
Look! The soldiers are coming!
Oh, I fear violence.
Faster, men! Faster! Prepare for battle!
Excuse me, Maria, but I must return to the safety of my home.
There they are! Destroying my dam! The very nerve! Charge!
It is the soldados! Run! Save yourselves!
Capture them! Take them all! Tie them up! Let none escape!
And I say, set them free!
Around him! I want Zorro, do you hear? Take him!
Amigos, run!
Where did he go? Where did they all go?
Had him, we, Capitan.
What?
We have this one.
Ah, their leader. Who are you?
Angelo Rigos, and we will not pay for the water. It is ours.
Silence! The dungeon with him as a lesson to all.
No, you can't do this.
Can't, huh? You there! The dam! Shut off all the water! Everything will dry up. The streams, the wells, everything. And then they will beg for water. Tax will be doubled.
But please, Don Alejandro, if you pay the water tax, it will set an example for everybody. All the people.
I told you, Sergeant, and you may tell your Capitan Ramon that I refuse.
Senor! There is water coming into the well again.
Ah, I knew it. Shutting off the dam has not affected the underground water.
Capitan Ramon will not like this.
I imagine that solves that problem, Miguel. Let's go home. Goodbye, Father.
But Angelo, all I want is the names of those who try to help you. Then I'll set you free.
I will never tell you.
Attacking my dam was against the law.
Building the dam was against the law. The water, it belongs to everyone.
Yes, everyone who pays for it.
Capitan! Capitan! There is water! Water! Water everywhere!
What are you talking about?
All the wells are dried up. They have dug deeper and found more water.
Your dam is worthless.
I must see for myself.
Your water tax is useless.
Gracias. That is all I will need. By tomorrow, I will have water in my own well.
A few more days of digging. Whatever, amigos, you are welcome to have what I have. If Angelo were here. Soldiers!
It is the same everywhere. Sergeant, I want those wells filled.
With water?
No, with dirt and rocks. Let us return. You have much work to do.
Work? Don Diego, the water from your well is the best around.
Thank you, Sergeant. Now that we have water again, like everyone else.
But not for long. The dirt and rocks in those wagons is not for the dam, as one might think. Capitan Ramon has ordered me to fill up all the wells tonight.
Really? Including mine?
Oh, no, senor. I will say I forgot about yours, and who will know? But the others who opposed the good Capitan, like that Angelo, he will be in the dungeon forever.
Spare me the details.
Oh, sorry, senor. Well, it will be dark soon. I must be going. Gracias for the water.
Well, amigo, seems we have a busy night ahead of us.
See, I will meet you.
Look at that, senor. I have never seen such a thunderstorm in the mountains.
A heavy rain up there would fill the river down here.
And the lake behind the dam.
One thing at a time, amigo. Right now, we have Sergeant Gonzalez to contend with.
There! Halt!
What do you want?
You didn't pay the water tax, so you're not entitled to water. Fill up their wells.
No! Leave that well alone!
Stand back, friend.
Ay, Zorro! Attack!
Amigo, look out!
Ha-ha! We have you now! Zorro is alone! Capture him!
Amigo, where are you?
Coming, senor. I think running is good exercise for Sergeant Gonzalez.
Yes, amigo. And now, helping Angelo escape will be good exercise for us. The storm is a bad one. We must hurry. In the mountains. If the lake fills up, Ramon's dam won't hold. We must destroy it before it gives way and causes a flood.
We need explosives for that. But where?
The Presidio, right where we're going. Amigo, whoa! Stop! Do you see what I see?
Now that is something we can use.
Capitan! Capitan Ramon! Sergeant Gonzalez is returning! Ah, good. The wells are filled. Where is he? Capitan! It was Zorro. I might have known. Alert the garrison! Something has happened to Sergeant Gonzalez! When we find the sergeant, we will find Zorro!
You know something, senor? That was like watching a parade.
Yes, and now the place is almost deserted. Let's go. Now.
Yeah! Zorro! It's Zorro!
The explosives are in there. You get them and I'll find Angelo.
See. Captain Ramon will not like this.
Open it!
There are too many. I am not good with a sword.
And my arms are full.
Lead off, amigo, and walk soft.
Like a cat.
No false moves, senores. Angelo, the wagon! Head for the dam!
My feet! My Zorro again! He's there! I did damn! And Ramon will not like this! Vámonos!
We better open those floodgates.
I'll do that. You and Angelo set the gunpowder around the base. and hurry!
Zorro? You say Zorro is headed for my dam?
Si, Capitan. He and a force of, at least 20 men overpowered us and...
Spare me the details, and keep walking, Sergeant. Forward, ho!
Amigo! Enough! Angelo, be ready.
Help!
Tempest!
Save me! Help! Please, somebody, save me!
Captain, if I save you, will you promise no more attacks on the water?
Yes, save me! I promise! No more water attacks! Help!
Thank you, senor.
No thanks are necessary, Captain, as long as you keep your promise.
Zorro, you are a fool! From now on, the water tax will be tripled!
I'm really sorry you said that, Captain.
Blow it!
Adios, amigos. And thank you, Zorro.
It's time to go, compadre.
I think you're right, amigo.
Retreat!
I tell you, senor, if I had been with Capitan Ramon, the dam would still be standing. But, of course, I was busy elsewhere.
Of course. But, Sergeant, the dam is gone. The people have water, and everybody is happy now. What's wrong with that?
Nothing. But do not tell the Capitan. He might start putting a tax on laughter. Adios, señores.
I would refuse to pay it, and Captain Ramon would not like that.
When the Spanish explorer Balboa first saw this great ocean, he was amazed by its beauty and its tranquility, and he named it the Pacific. And why did he call it that? Because in Spanish, Pacific means peaceful. Until the next time, adios, amigos!